Okay, I am going to quickly show you how to save a design as an SVG file. Super easy, takes 1 second. So as you can see, I already have my text in here. I'm going to make this is, maybe I'll just make this a little longer. How's that? Okay, so once you have, oh, you know what, I think I'm going to make this. We're going to go to Object, Envelope, Distort. We're going to do a little wave. Maybe switch that bend to, I don't know, 25%. There we go. That's cute, right? Once you have the design exactly how you want it, all you have to do is go to File, Save As, name it what you want, Hockey Mom, and then save as an SVG. Now you're going to come here, make sure all these settings are correct. They should be. And that's it. That is how you save a design in Adobe Illustrator as an SVG.